Headshots Marketing Poster Template Tutorial for Canva. Start by selecting the center blue film frame. Click Position at the top of the Canva menu, then click Backward. Repeat these steps with each blue film frame. Then click on each instant film frame, click Position again, and select Backward. This will move all of your placeholder images to the front so that you can add your photos to the placeholders. Now, go to your Images folder in Canva. Click on a photo and drag it over the top of each placeholder image. Be careful where you are positioning your images. If you place the image in the wrong position, you can go to the top of the Canva menu and click on the Undo button. The Undo button looks like a sideways U with an arrow pointed to the left. If you didn't move all of your images into the top position, you may have to click on a blue film frame again and click backwards at least 3 times until all placeholder images are moved above the blue film strip. Continue adding your photos to the placeholder images. If you want to change a photo you placed, select another photo and drag it on top to replace it. If you need to adjust a crop, double-click on the photo. You'll now see the entire image under the placeholder. Click and drag it across to your desired crop, or enlarge it by dragging one of the anchor points out to enlarge the photo. You can also reduce the size of the photo by dragging the anchor point inward. If you accidentally click on an image instead of dragging it, that image will place in the middle of your template. Just click on the image and hit to leave on your keyboard, or click the trash can icon to remove. Once all your photos are in place, click on each image. Go to Position, then select Backward. Repeat this step for each photo. To edit the text, double-click a word or line of text and type in what you want. If you type more words than will fit, drag out the text box to enlarge. Be sure to edit the phone number and the website to change to your studio contact information. The placeholder logo can be edited as well if you need. Select the placeholder logo and click Ungroup. Then type in your studio name. Hold down the Shift key down to type all of your text in caps. And change the initials in the monogram icon to match. Then move the letters in place to balance and center them. Increase the size of the text box if you need. If you already have a logo, click the placeholder logo and remove it by selecting the trash can icon to remove. You may need to do this several times to delete the entire placeholder logo. Go to your Images folder in Canva. Click on your logo to place it on the template. And reduce the size of your logo if needed. Additional customizations. These are the steps to change color and fonts on the poster template. Start by selecting the background. Go to the top of the Canva menu and click on the color swatch. There will be several color options for you to choose from. You can choose from your logo colors, your brand colors, the image colors on the template, or you can switch the existing colors from the template swatch options. Now, select your new color. Repeat these steps for each element of the template you would like to change. You can also change the color of the text by highlighting the text you want to change. Then click on the text color icon at the top of the Canva menu. From the swatches, choose a new color. Then repeat the steps to change the color of any text element as needed. To change fonts, select each line of text, a paragraph, a letter, or a word. Go to the top of the Canva menu and click the Font drop-down menu. Scroll through to select a new font. Repeat these steps to change font text on the template. You may need to change the paragraph alignment and move the words closer together. If you need to adjust the size of the headline and subhead because the font you have chosen made them smaller, hold the Shift key to select each word and group them together. Then drag the anchor point out to enlarge. Now center the text into position. Once you've completed all of your customizations, go to the top of the Canva menu and click Share. Click Download. Change the file type to JPEG or PDF, depending on the printer's requirements. For JPEG, move the size slider to maximum. Move the quality slider to maximum. Then click Download. You are now ready to upload your Headshots marketing poster to the printer.